In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up geofencing in QuickBooks Time. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Company Settings over here on the left. And then whenever you do this here, you want to go to Location, which is over here. And as you can see, it's going to say Location Tracking. And you can, of course, set this to either Required over here, or you could do it optional as well, okay? So I'm just going to put it on Required right now, and I'm going to click on Save. Of course, up here, you have the option to basically enable geofencing as well. So this one should be enabled as well, okay? So I'm going to click on Enable Geofencing, and then I'm going to click on Save. Now, whenever you've done that, your settings have been saved, and now you have to basically add geofences to customers or jobs. So you want to go to Customers over here on the left. Then you want to find a customer or job. So I have this one here, for example, this Diego. I'm going to click on the Edit button. And then from here, as you can see, location, it says address or GPS coordinates. So if I type in, for example, street like this, I can just find a specific location. Now, of course, it's going to be more accurate than this. I'm just going to type in some random location, and I'm going to turn this on over here. So geofencing is going to be on. And of course, you can change the radius over here as well from 100 meters to 1000 meters or 1 kilometer. Okay, so I'm going to put this, for example, as 100 meters over here. And then whenever you do this, you can go ahead and click on the save button down here at the bottom. And that's essentially all you have to do. Okay, so that's how to set this up. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.